Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, touch control board, transfer board, and leather cover. Removal. Peel back the foil tape that covers the solid-state drive shield. Remove the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the solid-state drive shield to the motherboard. Carefully separate the solid-state drive shield from the retention clips on the motherboard and remove. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it from the connector on the motherboard. Reverse this procedure to install the solid-state drive. Important: when installing the solid-state drive, be sure to align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot in the motherboard.